Draw the following triangle using the given information. AB is given as 8, AC is given as 5, and the angle between AB and AC is 30 degree. What is the total area of the shaded region? So first, click on the ortho to turn it on. Alternatively, you can press F8 on your keyboard to turn it on. Click on the line tool, click anywhere on the screen, move your cursor to the right, type 8, press enter, and then press enter again to cancel the line tool. Click on the line tool again, click the left end point of this line or point A, move your cursor to the left, type 5. This is going to be the length of line AC. Press enter and then press enter again or escape to cancel the line tool. Now we're going to rotate this new line. So click rotate, click that new line, press enter, click the right end of this line, and we're going to rotate it by 150 degree in the clockwise direction. So for clockwise, you have to put a negative sign. So negative 150. Press enter. And why we did 150? Because 150 is gonna be here on this side. This is gonna be so this is 150 on this side, so that means this side, this one has to be 30 degree. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the line tool again and then connect this point, that is point C, and that point here is point B. Okay, now these three lines are separate. We need to join them together. So on the command line, type join and then make a selection box, select all three lines, press enter. So now they are all joined to form a polyline. So hover your mouse on the drawing and then it will display that is polyline. So that means they are all joined to form a polyline. So now click that polyline, right click, click on properties, and look for the area. It's right here, it's 10.